I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the PC. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once done, remove the case side panel and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Next, disconnect monitor and any power cables from the graphics card, then remove the bracket screws that secure the GPU. Make sure to note cable routing for reassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes. With the screws out and cables free, you're ready to disengage the card from its slot. You now align the new GPU with the PCIe X16 slot and press evenly until the retention clip clicks. This ensures proper electrical contact. After seating the card, reconnect the required PCIe power cables. Use the exact 6-pin or 8-pin connectors the card specifies to avoid underpowering. Then fasten the bracket screws to stabilize the card and replace the case panel. Once reassembled, reconnect your monitor and peripherals. You should boot into Windows 11 and first uninstall legacy GPU drivers if they remain. This prevents conflicts. Next, install the latest drivers from the manufacturer so Windows uses the new card's features and performance. Once installed, run a quick benchmark or game to confirm stability and monitor temperatures. This verifies power and cooling. If you see crashes or artifacts, shut down, reseat the card. Verify PSU wattage meets GPU requirements, and update motherboard BIOS. Those steps resolve most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.